There was a new smartwatch on the block at CES 2020, and we are super excited to have our hands on the Diesel On Fadelite, which comes with Wear OS and is unisex.
Oh yeah, it comes in 4 different color options. We have chosen, however, the transparent one. It's around $275 US. We pay 279 euros here over in Europe. If you want to know anything about this watch, let us know in the comments below. This is the way we work. You ask, we will test, and we'll show you how everything works. This is a pre-launch unboxing and setup today.
The watch comes in 4 different colors. You can choose from red, which then fades into black, blue, which fades to clear, black, which fades to clear, and the choice of ours, the transparent iridescent clear strap.
What I really like about this watch though is that it has kind of an 80s feel and look. It's almost like cyberpunk aesthetics, and it is made of plastic, very light, but pretty cool. Design-wise, top notch, and we are really intrigued by this watch, aren't we?
What are the specifications for the Diesel On Fadelite?
I'm just going to give you a brief overview though. The full review will reveal everything, but it has a 43mm AMOLED screen. It is 50m water resistant and features a Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 3100, and that processor has been seen in many other Wear OS smartwatches. GPS tracking, 4GB internal storage, half a gigabyte of RAM, and that is a slight concern to us to see what is the performance really like. Let us know in the comments below if you're also interested in the performance of that Diesel On Fadelite watch.
When you receive your Diesel On Fadelite, it comes in a black box, which when you open it up, you receive another black box inside. But this isn't like any other smartwatch that we've opened up. This is a really solid box for your watch.
Very design, very fashionable statement, I have to say.
I would actually say for a unisex watch, it is rather manly.
Yeah, but the watch itself is unisex. That's probably the angle here. If you are familiar with Diesel smartwatches, then this box is no surprise to you. It is kind of familiar and similar to the other Diesel smartwatch boxes. When you open it, you have the Diesel On Fadelite inside with some product leaflets and product information, as well as a quick start guide. The quick start guide will tell you what to do. You need to charge your watch first, download the Wear OS application, then connect the watch, and it will basically guide you through the process. Very easy setup. You also have your charging cable inside the box, and that is a regular USB-A charging cable after all.
So how was the setup?
The setup was very easy. I have to say I'm kind of getting warmed up to Wear OS in general, because the setup was super easy. I charged it, the watch came on, I have Wear OS installed on my Pixel 4 anyway, and then it kind of connects each other, it saw each other immediately, there's no issues, and then you will be guided through this process, right? If you have a Google account, and I believe many of us have, then you just put your account information in. It basically recognizes that already from your phone and suggests which account, and then you press OK, and the setup is about 5 minutes up. Well, 5 minutes.
From start to finish.
From start to finish. It transfers all the information it has from your Google account over to the watch already, and then your watch is ready to go, ready to use.
And we have the Diesel On application.
Yeah, it's another application you can download and connect to your Diesel On Fadelite. However, one thing we have to say, you have to use your Google Wear OS application. It is the main application to use it with your Diesel On Fadelite. You have all the watch faces and most of the settings in that application. And what is the Diesel On application then really for?
The Diesel application is just really tracking and seeing what you're doing on a daily basis. There's not much more to it than that.
Okay, it's more like activity tracking.
Yes.
Now. Okay.
The watch does have a touchscreen, but it also has a handy scroller. So you can scroll up and down, and with one click, you can get straight into your Wear OS.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. When you scroll up, you have your messages as you would swipe up. When you scroll down, you have your Wear OS menu, and the same is with swiping. So you can swipe in every direction, but you can also scroll up and down, and I think it's a nice touch.
It's clear to see it's a Diesel watch with the Diesel branding. It also has a plastic strap, and that is something that I may personally struggle with. I know I struggled with the silicone straps of the Apple Watch, so the plastic strap here could lead to a sweaty wrist.
Let us know in the comments below how you feel about plastic, but it also is made of plastic, so it's really light. You have to remember that. It's a lightweight, super lightweight watch, smartwatch, the Diesel On Fadelite.
But what I do like is the lightweight and the color scheme, because the watch really stands out. It really pops. I'm going to show you what it looks like on a lady's wrist.
How do you feel about it now when you
I
put it on?
actually love the watch. I love
Yeah.
how light it is. I love how much it stands out. Actually, I do think it will be a head turner as well.
Nice. Because you have Google Wear OS installed on your Diesel On Fadelite watch, that means you have Google Fit available at your fingertips and you have heart rate monitoring. It has heart rate sensors on the back of the watch, and we will test how accurate that is. You have step counts and many more features that are available via Google Fit, and that's kind of a neat touch because it's not just a design and a fashionable watch, right?
Let us know in the comments below what you would like us to test and what's important to you on a smartwatch. What makes it a smartwatch?
So let us know your thoughts about the Diesel On Fadelite, and we will read every comment and we will respond to 99%. We will test it in the background for you. Let us know in the comments below. Jens here from All Star Space.
Tony the Car Geek.
Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Wow.